Sure.
Actually, magdanga sa katermin. Kindly turn off your phones, i-off yun din cellphones dyo, and avoid noises niya as we start our operational briefing for the umaalong incident. Kindly refer to your IEP. First page, mabili naman lang sa alam tayo yung past stages and objectives. Content siya, hadya i-goal tayo niya, the objectives tayo all throughout the operation. Number 1, ensures the safety of the responders and the general public. Search, rescue, and retrieve victims in the barangay Masama. Provide emergency and medical assistance for the victims. Conduct clearing operation on the main road connecting barangays Maasim, Malaki, and Masama. And then restore power, communications, water and sewer lines in the barangay Masama. And then suppress fire in the barangays Mapait, Maliit, and Maliwanag. And then lastly, evacuate victims in all the 6 barangays. Okay, for the current situation update, let's hear it from our Operations Section Chief, Lawrence.
Good morning. Iban dyan ako, situation tayo. Iban dyan ako, siya City ni Santa Taniaga, kayo niyaman dyan. Sa mas affected dyan area siya, nagkakaramit ng iyabaya barangay ni Masama, siya local, southern part, portion. Nang sa nagkakaramit ng sinigaman siya, barangay Masama. Dyan, affected ni Bataan ni structural dyan, napan collapse na siya other barangays, like Maasim, Maliwanag, Mapait, and Maliit. Kabul ni gas explosion, waray non-fire outbreak sa Pasbangshi barangay, Maliit, Mapait, and Maliwanag. As of now, waray na-establish dyan, IC post tayo, si barangay Malaki. Dyan, wala i-kampo tayo mala, dyan na-establish si barangay Maasim, dan si barangay Maliit. Timan, wala evacuation areas tayo, matlaang si barangay Maliit, dan wala malangga si barangay Maasim. Wala staging area tayo, matlaang isda, siya matlaang sa barangay Maliit, dan si Maasim. Diyan wala pasamak the road blockage, siya main road, diyan Sinpuan ni Masama, barangay Masama, Malaki, Tansi, Maliit. Situation tayo da, at andali po all siya northern part, tapos southern part ay dakaran ni kayo. Hadani maraming situation tayo, siya Santa Taniaga City.
Okay, thank you, Pauline. Okay, next, as for the weather forecast, as for the Pag-asa updates, expect tayo 25 to 30 degrees Celsius all throughout the operation. Mabalin pa yung kakadjang, yung kayang ita temperature, especially siya Division A, siya kada ni fire outbreak. And then for the operational assignment, let's call again our Operations Section Chief.
Para ni operational assignment, Board Trade Division A, si Supervisor Simon Cao. Right? Division A, side of Tenju, ay kami suppress ni fire. Division A, siya kayo, northern part ni City ni Taniaga, side of Tenju, fire suppression, clearing operation, evacuation, and may kanakay medical assistance. Siya, barangay Maliit, Maliwanag, tan barangay Mapait. Si kayo, Division B, Waras Bruno Mars.
Present.
Okay. Si kayo ay mag-conduct ni search, rescue, and retrieval operation, si barangay Masama. Si kayo maglaan ni mag-ikan medical services all throughout the southern part of the city of Santa Taniaga. Evacuation, clearing operation, siya ay dyan banda, Pantuluan Juni Division 8, si Katoy Panasuran, si mas paspas operation, kailangan tayo chili access. Dyan, si kayo maglang yung mga restore ni power, communication, water, and sewer lines. siya, southern part. Pakiyon na yun lang, ita Form 204 para iranod ta, pang-i-assign na jula iranod ta task force. Diyan, hadan iya.
Okay, thank you very much. For the safety message, itan nga tayo sa Safety Officer Aldrin.
So, pinipili nyo, sa expected tayo mayroon landslide, mayroon falling debris, tayo lang ito wire era. So, manusap tayo di proper PPE, like butas, healthcare, dan basta Proyektaran ito ay nakakantay. So, expectahan naman nila temperature 25 to 30.
Okay, thank you very much. For the logistical concerns, can we refer to your forms, ICS forms 205 and 206? Let's hear it from Logistics Section Chief, Sir Gabriel.
Thank you very much, ma'am. So, located unit form 205, which is our communication plan. Itan in provide so division A tapos sa division B, we already make sure na naka-charge and functional right na radio na may advice nila tayo before kita dyan man-dispatch to kaya check tayo, rely na tayo. Yasa smooth communication tayo no, during the operation. Tapos ang dapat dyan sa form 206, which is our medical plan. Hindi ko rin na-dispatch niya staging area sa kay ambulance with the medical team. So in cases dyan, wala rin pasama dyan, unexpected injuries, so dito tayo paki-inform tayo siya si medical team leader tayo, aside i-communicate siya din siya sa dispatch niya siya sa ambulance and other medical materials dyan sa Polandio. Tapos, wala man lang iniyan din siya kapuan and come to the food, especially drinking water. Team leaders paki-ensure si members tayo kat wala rin food siya nung siya, especially consideration tayo ang patapit tempo niya sa i-avoid tayo. Diba? Tapos, lugar tayo kasapulan dyan, Division G team leaders, lugar tayo kasapulan dyan, additional PPEs, paki-inform natin asun si kami sa kami i-dispatch ng sa. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. And next, for the financial concerns, let's hear it from our Finance Administrative Section Chief, Marlene.
Thank you, ma'am. Our type unit will be may set up siya inside the internet command post. Then, make sure our workers tayo naka-record in time siya in other accomplishment, in other works, paper works, before our demobilization. And then, as required ni local agencies tayo, kataniray may attached ni supporting documents ni reimbursement and possible claims. Tapos, next update, i-family after niya shift. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Next, hadya information plan and updates tayo, plus hadya cooperating agencies, and then the closing comments. Tabetes Incident Commander Ricky.
Thank you. No, Ananjula era so media people yang cover ni haja incident, pada result violence, government tofu. Saya cakap unit semua sim operation jo, reproduction sikap sia incident command post tayo. Saya tuloy pan tayo. No, wala malang iray other cooperating in assisting agencies. Ya, coordinate naman alis ya, yang mentolong haja incident. coordination si kayo, refer yung lang siya incident command post tayo. And finally, salamat ni Indo Yuli ni Haja operational briefing tayo. And hopefully we can achieve the objectives tayo naman na ayo operational period. Yet, noon adjutant, priority tayo lahat is safety ni si kayong responders dan ayo general public. Yet, no wala ka sa tulang yung ground, ano man, iparas miniprovide, i-coordinate yung mga ni hata supervisors. And sa tanda, and good luck. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. So that ends our operations briefing, operational period briefing. For the divisions briefing, if you need it, the Division A, shima table 1 on the right side, Division B, shima table 4 on the left side. So, you may now turn on your phones. And then our next operational briefing will be on tomorrow. Ingaston oras and Ingaston location. Thank you.